What's wrong with my 2013 F150 blower motor? A 2013 F150 blower motor usually fails due to a burnt resistor, connector, faulty blower motor, or a blown fuse, relay. The most common fix is replacing the resistor and wiring connector, often burnt, located under the glove box, along with the motor itself if it's dead. Common causes and troubleshooting: burnt resistor, connector. Most common, the connector for the blower motor resistor often overheats and melts, causing total failure or loss of speeds. Defective motor. The motor may have failed internally, or the connector at the motor itself is corroded. Blown fuses, relay. Check the 40-amp fuse, power, and the blower motor relay in the underhood power distribution box. HVAC module. A faulty HVAC control module might not be sending signals. How to fix it, step by step. Check for power. If the fan does not work, try turning it to high. If it works on high but not low, it is usually the resistor. Inspect connector, resistor. Locate the resistor under the passenger side glove box. Look for burned, melted, or corroded pins on the connector. Replace components. If melted, replace the blower motor resistor connector and the resistor itself. You may need to cut and splice the new connector. If the connector is fine, test for voltage at the motor. If power is present but the motor won't turn, replace the blower motor. Check for debris. Ensure no debris is jamming the fan.